Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your BOSE Portable Home Speaker. You have to start by press at the same time Bluetooth button and volume up button for at least 10 seconds until this LED light is just turned off. And then you release your finger and wait until the speaker asks you about a setup. So we need to wait.
Battery 43%. To start setup, download the BOSE Music app.
Here we go. And now open the application, and firstly we need to set up this speaker, so click Setup New Product, then select Smart Speakers, scroll down, and we need to find our speaker here. Yeah, okay, we have it right here. After that you need to press and hold at the same time volume down button and play pause button. So it should find our speaker after we did it. So maybe let's make it again. Okay, it can be a problem with an application, so close it, try to make it again. Or we can also try to turn off and turn on the speaker and then press this button. So maybe let's check this way. And I guess it doesn't work. Okay, let's make it after that again. And nothing, yeah. Oh, you can see that was a problem with an application. So I recommend it to just remove this application from the cache and open it again if you will have the same problem as I had. Now select your Wi-Fi network and write your password. And now click Connect. Now select a name for your speaker. I'm going with this one, but you can use some preset, or you can click at this line and write something good for you. Okay, let's go with the portable speaker. Now you can allow it, it's up to you. I don't want to share my speaker trigger someone, but you can click at the yes. All set. Get started. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.